Hi guys, Daniel and John here and welcome back to another one of our product reviews, and in today's video we're looking at the Athens curtain pole set made by GoodHome.
It's actually a DIY brand, GoodHome.
Yeah.
And the one we've got is the extendable 2 metres to 3.3 metres. Comes in a nice box. Is well packaged. It's thought about, the pole is protected. Comes with two, I can't remember what they're called, the correct name for them, but two ends. These come in different types. They just push in the end of the pole. You can see one there at the end of the end of the pole. Yeah. Comes with 4 brackets. They are quite substantial. The design's been thought about. Even that little bit there is going to make the pole sit home, so you don't have to traditionally screw it in to hold the pole, and that's going to lock it in. It's got a single hole there, and then it's got a keyhole mount there, which basically allows you to adjust it to the right height. Yeah. There is 4 of them. You might not need 4. The pole, if I can just show that, is extendable. I'll do it at the bottom then, you can see it coming out.
Yeah.
So that's quite handy. It's like a satin brushed finish. It's a good quality product. The only thing that's missing, it's like 30 odd pounds I think, this one. There's no screws with it, no chrome screws or anything with it. So, or stainless steel screws, so I know from experience they're not that easy to get hold of, quickly. So if you're going to buy one of these, you'll need, depending how you're fixing it, raw plugs and screws to go with it. Tools you're going to need, it's literally on here. You'll need a drill to put holes in your wood or your masonry, and you need a masonry bit or a drill bit, wood drill bit. You will need a spirit level, and you will need a tape measure, and you will need some screws, and you will need some raw plugs if you're putting it into a wall, and you will need a fairly long spirit level. So the only issue I've got with this, not the price, not the quality of it, because it will look nice when it's up, is the fact, in my mind, there's no point selling that and the mounting brackets without any fixings to go with it. What's the point? You can't put it up. We might have just been unlucky, and they may just be missed out of the box. It is showing them on the box, so you'd think you would get them, but they're certainly not in our box. So if you're buying this from B&Q, just check that you've got screws in there, or you might need screws. Anyway, hope this has helped you if you're thinking of buying a Athens or GoodHome curtain pole. They do a wide selection from wood, brushed into gold to brass, all sorts. They do fixings and bits and bobs from what I saw yesterday. Anyway, thanks for watching.